Hello friends, welcome to Insights ICANN initiative. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Finance Commission. Recently, Union Cabinet, they released a note regarding terms of reference to Finance Commission. Which Finance Commission we are going to discuss? 16th Finance Commission. Now let's discuss what are the video components in this video. Let's see, in this particular video, we are going to discuss about why this is in news. That is 16th Finance Commission, why it is in news. Then the terms of reference include, what are these? What are these terms of reference and what they include? Finance Commission, how it started, and the constitution provisions regarding the Finance Commission, functions of the Finance Commission, qualifications required to chairman as well as the members. Then we will see the reports of Finance Commission, to whom they will give the reports, and how those reports will be introduced before the houses of the parliaments. Then how they will be implemented. Few of the recommendations of the Finance Commission implemented through presidential orders and few are implemented through executive orders. And finally, we are going to discuss about some information regarding the 15th Finance Commission and 1 year extension given to the 15th Finance Commission. That information as well we are going to discuss. Now let's see the syllabus mapping. This particular video is related to UPSC Mains General Studies Paper 3, that is Economic Development. This is the syllabus mapping. Now let's see the context. Recently, Union Government, they approved the terms of reference for the 16th Finance Commission. Here you have to understand terms of reference means on which areas the Finance Commission has to work. They are nothing but terms of reference. Now let's see what are those terms of reference. And the deadline given to the 16th Finance Commission is 31st October 2025. By that time, they have to work on those terms of reference and they have to submit the report. Once the Finance Commission submit the report, that will be valid for next 5 years. That means the 16th Finance Commission recommendations, they are going to be implemented from 2025 to 2030. That you have to understand. And these are the terms of reference. Okay, on these areas, they are going to be focused. Disaster management financing, determining revenue to states. Tell me students, in which year Disaster Management Act was made, and disaster management comes under which list under Schedule 7? Put your answer in the comment section. Then increasing the consolidated fund of state, increasing the income of panchayat, augmenting the consolidated fund of state. That means what kind of measures you have to take to improve the consolidated fund of the states. Not only that, the consolidated funds regarding the panchayats as well as municipalities as well, these kind of advices will be given by the Finance Commission. If you compare 14th Finance Commission weightage and 15th Finance Commission weightage, they given more weightage to the 2011 population. This is one of the main concern from the South Indian state. Not only that, they given tax effort, that means how much tax revenue are being realized from that particular state. So some of the weightage profiles been changed with 15th Finance Commission compared to 14th Finance Commission. 15th Finance Commission, they worked from 2021 to 2026. Okay. But due to this COVID pandemic and all, they got 1 year of extension as well. When was the first Finance Commission was constituted? The first Finance Commission was constituted under the chairmanship of K.C. Niyogi on 6th April 1952. So far, how many Finance Commissions have been constituted? 15th Finance Commissions have been constituted. Now, we are discussing about 16th Finance Commission in this particular video. Finance Commission is a constitutional body. What is the meaning of constitutional body? If any organization is mentioned in the constitution, that is known as constitutional body. Article 280 of the Indian Constitution deals with the Finance Commission. Okay, and whatever the recommendations given by the Finance Commission, they are only advisory, they are not binding. What are the main objectives of the Finance Commission? Finance Commission will distribute the revenue between the center and state. Not only that, it also distributes the incomes among the states as well. When it is distributing the income among the states, it looks after certain parameters. Those are the parameters we just now discussed, like forest cover and demographic performance, tax efforts, population 2011, and all these are the parameters. Based on these parameters, money will be distributed among the states. So this is according to Article 280. So it works on two basic principles. Just now I mentioned vertical imbalance between the center and state, as well as distribution of the public services or revenue among the states. Functions of the Finance Commission: distribution of the money between the center and state and among the state. Second one, on what basis union government can give grant in aid to states. You know that Article 275 covers the grant in aids. and it also gives recommendations regarding the how to improve the consolidated fund related to panchayats as well as the municipalities. Okay, if state consolidated fund is very good, then only state can disperse money to these panchayats as well as municipalities. Regarding that, it gives advices as well. Qualifications regarding the chairman as well as the members. Actually, the qualifications as well as the appointment of the chairman as well as members of the Finance Commission, they are based on two acts such as Finance Commission Miscellaneous Provisions Act 1951 and Finance Commission Salaries and Allowances Rules 1951. Based on these two statutes, recruitment as qualifications will be decided. The qualifications for the chairman, normally a person who is supposed to be the chairman, there should be expertise in the public affairs. Public affairs. Let us see the members qualification. Members, the four other members, generally Finance Commission structure is 1+4. The rest of the four members, they should have experience. One must be similar qualification to High Court judge. The second one, special knowledge in finances and accounts of government. Third one, experience in financial matters and administration. And the fourth one is having special knowledge in economics. These are the four members from four areas of expertise. Reports of the Finance Commission. According to Article 281, Finance Commission will give reports to President and President cause it to. That means President will keep those reports before the Parliament, before both the houses. Okay, and whatever the recommendations given by Finance Commission, they are not binding on the government. They are only advisory in nature. And how these will be implemented? The advices given by Finance Commission, those advices will be implemented in two ways. One is through the order of the President, especially regarding the distribution of revenue between the center and state. The other one is through executive order. This is regarding the other recommendations made by the Finance Commission, which works on the terms of reference. So, in these two ways, the recommendations given by Finance Commission will be implemented. That we have to remember. The 15th Finance Commission. 15th Finance Commission, it was supposed to give a report by 30th October 2019, but its recommendations, they given 1 year of extension. That is the reason the recommendation applicable up to 2025-2026. Otherwise, the recommendation supposed to be lapsed by 2025 itself. The 15th Finance Commission, it was led by N.K. Singh. So, 15th Finance Commission, they supposed to give a report by 2019 and the recommendation supposed to be implemented from 2020 to 2025. But due to the COVID pandemic and all these reasons, the 15th Finance Commission recommendations extended for 1 more year. That means till 2026, we will follow the 15th Finance Commission recommendations. Now, we will see yesterday's video question. What is the term for the international organization that promotes transparency and combats corruption by facilitating the exchange of information between the governments and the private sector? Which international organization is putting effort to improve the transparency? That is Transparency International. Now, let us see today's question. Who among the following determines the qualifications which shall be required for the appointment as a members of the Finance Commission in India? Okay, who will decides the qualifications regarding the Finance Commission members? President of India, Council of Ministers, Parliament by an Act, Union Cabinet. Which one? Pick the right answer. Next, main question. What role does the Finance Commission of India play in the country's fiscal federalism, and how does it contribute to the distribution of finance resources among the center as well as state? That means how it will distribute the money between the center and state. What are some of the key recommendations made by the 15th Finance Commission? What are the recommendations, and how might they will impact the overall economic development and stability of the nation? That means what are the repercussions of the 15th Finance Commission? This is the main question. As we reach to the end of this video, let's summarize whatever we learned in this video. Now, in this particular video, we discussed about 16th Finance Commission. Union Cabinet, they issued terms of reference regarding the 16th Finance Commission. In this context, we discussed about how the Finance Commission got evolved, first Finance Commission, and we discussed about what are the terms of reference. Then we discussed about qualifications and recruitment process regarding the Finance Commission. Not only that, we also discussed about functions of the Finance Commission and why the 15th Finance Commission got extended. Okay, so this is the detailed analysis regarding the 16th Finance Commission and terms of reference given to 16th Finance Commission. Thank you.